So I made slime. I didn't make it, but I bought it at a store that was cost like $2. There was a blue one, a blue one, an orange one, and a green one. And it was all fun. So the blue one's looking hard. The orange one looking seriously stupid. The green one was like perfect like this. Now it's perfect. I mixed it all together and I got this. I'm not telling you how to make it, but I'll make other video. Okay. Sounds good, huh? So I thought I was gonna add some foam balls, but I can't find any foam balls in my damn house. I used them all up. My last channel, well, my other. So it came in this container. It was like this.
What are you trying to tell
and these
me?
are the colors. It shows you the colors. It shows like this and this. This it was orange, like this one. There's no pink, there was orange. The blue on top, orange on the middle, and green on bottom. I like the both of them for now, but
Are you lady?
then I started not liking them. I don't know. I started like the blue one turned out to be not that fun. It started getting like hard. But now today I was just mixing it up. It turned hard as a rock. It wasn't like this. It was like hard. Like so hard you can't even play with it. I melted it. Yeah, it got really soaky. Then I added the lotion that will fix it. It got more soaky. Then it turned out perfect. When I added my activator, all I did was activate. You have to use if you want to use Tide, go ahead. I just added one of those powder soaps. But now you clean clothes, you just powder it in. Yeah, I used those ones. I put it in a cup, added water, and mixed it up. I added a lot until it was turning out, and it turned like this. It's beautiful. So beautiful. I'm probably gonna turn pink. My sister Destiny is how you dye your hair dye pink. So call you later. Bye, llamas.